In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keeps for productivity. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workflow that helps you capture ideas, organize tasks, and follow through without overwhelm. Start by opening Google Keep. On the left, click the menu and choose Create New Label. Labels are your quick filters, so set up a few that match your work and life, like clients, content ideas, urgent, finance, personal, and follow-ups. Keep labels short and intentional. Too many labels create noise and make it harder to find what matters. Aim for a handful that you'll actually use daily. Next, turn your to-dos into actionable checklists. Click New Note, then tap the checkbox icon to switch the note into a list. Add one task per line, so each item is clear and doable. For example, you might add edit YouTube video, schedule Facebook post, reply to client email, and follow up insurance lead. As you work, tick items to mark them complete and drag tasks up or down to reorder your priorities. This keeps your list focused without rewriting anything. Give your notes instant meaning with color. Use background colors to signal priority or type. Green for income generating tasks, red for urgent items, blue for admin work, and yellow for content. Consistent colors make scanning your board effortless and help you decide what to tackle next at a glance. Now add time to your tasks with reminders. Open a note, click the Remind Me bell, and set a date and time. You can also choose a location-based reminder, so Keep nudges you when you arrive somewhere relevant. Reminders sync across your devices, turning Keep into a lightweight task manager that never leaves your side. Pin what matters most. Use the pin icon to keep your top 3 tasks for the day, your weekly goals, and your revenue targets at the top. Pinned notes act like a spotlight so your attention lands on the right work every time you open Keep. Build a repeatable daily system with a simple template. Create a note titled Daily Focus, followed by the date. Add sections for top 3 priorities, secondary tasks, follow-ups, and end-of-day wins. Duplicate this note each morning. This keeps your day intentional, your workload realistic, and your progress visible. Finally, connect Keep with other Google apps. Reminders sync with Google Calendar, so deadlines appear on your schedule. Send longer notes straight to Google Docs when they need expansion, and turn emails in Gmail into notes to capture actions without losing context. Keeping everything in one ecosystem reduces friction and boosts consistency. That's your streamlined Google Keep workflow. Simple, visual, and built to help you finish what matters.